Hey, look, I know you enjoy your lonely walks, but there's a lot to do. Come on, get in, Tickles. Okay, look. I'm sorry for yelling last night. I was not in a good place mentally. Still, I know that's no excuse.
You're right. It's no excuse.
I know you didn't initially agree to this. Hey, I know this is not what you signed up for. But we don't have a choice. I really need you to step up. Please. For me.
For you.
Come on, Tickles. Let's get some breakfast. Got a long day.
You're right. I didn't agree to any of this. This is not fair. These eggs are delicious. I still don't get how you get them so fluffy like this. I'm really going to miss you.
Add milk. Add milk and cook in butter, low heat, and always stir. If you don't stir, then the eggs are going to stick to the pan. It's going to be a pain in the ass to scrub that pan clean. You gotta.
Are you making eggs or are you making some new dance move?
There's that smile. Okay, so where would you like to start? Horses, goats, yard work? You've got to start somewhere. Once you learn it, it is a piece of cake. I'll show you.
Steph, oh my god, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm okay. I just stood up too quickly. I'm fine.
I can't. I just can't do it. Not without you.
Stay with me.
I knew you'd get to this letter because I believe in you like you believed in me when I first came to you with my dream to own a farm. I don't know what is crazier, my dream to own it or the fact that you stuck with me regardless. As you can tell by now, we did not need to put up fence posts there. But I needed you to find this after, well, you know. Anyways, in this box you will find the deed under your name. You don't owe anything, and it's yours to sell to live out your dream. I'm only sad I won't get the chance to live it with you like you lived mine with me. Love, Steph.